Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nokia Lumia 525 Android, and as you have seen the title of the video, that in this video we will be installing the Windows 11, which is recently released by Microsoft, and it's going to be official on all the Windows platform computers in the coming week or two. But this is a preview for Windows 11, like the early release build before the official one. We'll try to install the preview on this laptop, and I'll tell you the steps, like how you can install the preview build, and like the software you will be needing to boot your USB drive into Windows 11. That's Windows 7 USB DVD download tool. The link is given in the description. You can download this tool from there, and the ISO for Windows 11 which you will be needing, that I also have given the link in the description. You can download the ISO file from there. It's approximately 4.5 or 4.7 GB of disk image file. So this is the ISO file for Windows 11. So currently my laptop is running Windows 10, and I am going to install Windows 11 on this. So first you will need a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage space. So this is 8 GB USB flash drive. So as soon as you will insert this USB drive into your laptop, so you can see which letter your USB device is assigned to. It's USB drive I. Okay, so now we'll open the USB bootable tool, and just follow the on-screen instructions after that. So yeah, so now click on browse and select the ISO file which you want to boot on your USB flash drive. So when you hit browse, from there select the ISO file which you have downloaded, Windows 11 developer preview. Open and click next. In the next tab, choose the media type. So this is a USB device. So from here you will select the USB flash drive. So mine's I. Begin copying. So it will erase the USB. So all the data which is currently on the USB drive, which it will be erased. Do you want to use? Yes. Okay, now so it's formatting the USB drive, and after formatting it will start flashing the USB drive with Windows 7 Windows 11 ISO file. So here you can see it's copying the files. So we'll wait for it to copy. So as you can see, we are almost finished with the flashing of the USB drive. So it's going to be over soon, and then I'll proceed with the installation process. So status backup computable USB drive created successfully. So you can close this window, and if you want to verify it, open the USB drive folder, and here you can see the setup and everything. Okay, so now first of all, before going into boot screen, just make sure that you want to install Windows on your C drive, not any other drive. And if you are not sure like which drive is your C drive, just make sure while in the boot up process that what's the total storage of your drive and what's the space it has free. So in my case it can be confusing, like both of these drives have 254 GB of storage space, but which is half empty, and that's the one which I am going to be using to install my Windows 11. So let's shut down the PC. As soon as it gets shut down, then I'll try to boot it up in the boot up screen, because sometimes it depends on the PC that which key is used to go into the boot screen. So in my case it's a long time and I don't remember that which keys used to go into boot screen. So I'll try a couple of keys, maybe escape, F11, F9, F10. Usually these are the keys which we use to go into boot screen. Let's wait for it to shut down completely and we'll try to boot it up in the Windows 11. And yeah, one important thing to tell you guys, that before installing Windows 11, make sure that you back up all your data in the drive C to any other drives, because your drive C will be completely formatted. So you have to like completely do this thing, okay? So just back up all your data in the drive C and copy in somewhere else before installing. Okay, so now our system is shut down. Now we'll try to boot it in the boot screen. Let's try. Yeah, so in my case it was escape. So we'll go into F9, which says boot device options. So F9 says the boot device options, so we will click on that. So from here we will select the USB disk, this one which we have booted. Just select, enter. See, so this is the new logo of Windows 11, which is officially being developed by Microsoft in 2021. So this is the logo of Windows 11. It's complete straight logo. So it looks like you started an upgrade and booted from installation media. If you want to continue with the upgrade, remove the media from your PC and click yes. If you want to perform a clean installation instead, click no. So we'll use the clean installation. So it will completely erase all your C drive data and completely install Windows 11 in a new way. Okay, so select your language and time and date, hit next, install now. So setup is starting, just wait for it to start. So you can see we have successfully booted into Windows 11 now after the complete setup. So click yes, and this is just the normal setup and the very easy on-screen instructions. So you can just do the regular setup as it is, as you know. So yeah, it's just a normal setup. So as you can see that this Windows UI they designed is very beautiful, it's very smooth, and see how these animations are made. Like this Windows 11 is pretty much good as compared to the last Windows versions, and we can see a lot of new exciting features, and I'll show you guys another video in which we can explore all the Windows 11 features, like what's the changes they made, what it looks like, what you can do extras, like everything, right? So once you set up your account, it will take you to the next step. So this was just a video to like show you guys how to successfully install Windows 11 on your laptop. So this is just an easy method, and all the software and the ISO files which are required for this setup are given in the description. You can download from there and install the Windows 11 on your laptop or PC. And you can turn off or turn on the features according to your needs. So you can use for gaming, for creativity, for entertainment, and accept, and it will set up your PC according to that. So next, so in another video I'll show you the whole Windows 11 experience. So this was just the setup video, like how to install Windows 11 without any issues. Even if you see any issues or if you face any problems, you can contact me at any time or ask me in the comments, and I'll guide you with the whole process as much as I can. So it's just a movement and it says hi, getting things ready for you. So just wait for a couple of moments and your Windows 11 home screen will pop up in front of you. And that's all for the video. Like, was the main purpose of the video, to show you how to completely set up your Windows 11 on your Windows PC. Oh man, they really made some cool animations to Windows 11, and it looks like the whole new world. Like, if we compare to the older versions of Windows, like all the other Windows versions were like mostly the same, but this is like the totally new feel and look. This really looks cool, man. Really. So I hope you have understood now, like, how to install Windows 11, and we'll see. We'll explore Windows 11 in the other video. So here we go. It's almost done. Good things coming your way. Almost there. And there you go, my friend, with all new fresh looks of the Windows 11. And this is your home screen. All the buttons over there are moved over here. This is your start button. You can push it. It will pop up your start screen. And from here you can see all your apps, just like the Windows phones. Just like they made this whole interface just like the Windows phone you used to do. So you will go back, and this is your home screen, and these are your settings. So they also changed the whole interface, the looks, the layouts, like literally everything they changed out. And one of the things I liked about this Windows 11 is that the taskbar is transparent. See how cool it looks? So, oh man, this is really nice. So it's recycle bin, and here are your files. Go to your file explorer, man, this is really cool. So here's your file explorer, and you can see, man, they gave the whole new look to the icons. These icons are like totally different and colored icons, like they don't look same anymore. They are like totally different icons, and I hope they also change the looks of the Microsoft Store, because they have changed everything. So it's a better version of the Windows, and they have changed every little thing from Windows 10. So yeah, basically this is it. So this was just the installation and setup guide for Windows 11, and in the other video I'll show you and explore the complete Windows 11 with each and every new single feature. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye, take care.